Welcome to Annie's Max Research Ideas. Today we are going to see about graceful labeling. First, the definition of graceful labeling. For that, we have to take a graph G equal to V comma E. The mapping is injective mapping. Injective mapping is it is an 1-1 mapping. Our mapping f v of g to 0 1 comma etc mod e is called graceful. Our edge condition is w of uv equal to mod f of u minus f of v. All the edge labels are different. Then the graph is called graceful labeling. So here we take a graph G equal to V comma E. The mapping is a 1-1 mapping. The mapping f v of G to 0 1 comma etc mod E. Mod E is a number of edges. Also the edge condition is w of uv equal to mod f of u minus f of v. The difference between the end points of the vertices. When the graph satisfies the graceful labeling condition, then it's called graceful labeling of graph. It's another simple example of graceful labeling. Here, a graph with m edges, the vertices are labeled with 0 to m. Here we choose subsets of 0 to m. So, we label the vertices by the numbers 0 to m, between 0 to m. Also, the edge condition is absolute difference between its end points. All the labels are unique. Okay. So, in that time, the edge sets are labeled with 0 to m. Okay. A graph which admits graceful labeling is called graceful graph. Now, all of you see the example of graceful labeling. Here all of you see the graph has 5 edges. So, for the vertex labeling, we use the subset from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of you see, here the graph has 5 edges. So, for the vertex labeling, we considered the subset from 0 to 5. So, we use the numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, for the edge label, we have to use the difference between the end point. Also, it is an absolute difference. So, we get only positive value. First edge 5 minus 4 1. Next 4 minus 0 4. 5 minus 0 5. 0 minus 3 3. 3 minus 1 2. It is our edge label. These are also some examples of graceful labeling. Here all of you see, it is a complete graph K4 with 6 edges. So, for the vertices, we have to use 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. our number of edges is 6. So for the vertex set, we use the subset from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We use sum of the number, then we denote it for vertex. Okay. Now all of you see, in K4, here the vertex set is 0, 1, 4, 6. For the edges, the difference, absolute difference from the end points. So 0 minus 1, it is minus 1. Absolute difference is 1. So we denote the edge by 1. Next 0, 6. 0 minus 6, minus 6. Absolute difference, so it is 6. So the edge is labeled as 6. So we label the edges in this way. The name graceful labeling is due to Solomon W. Gomb. This type of labeling was given name beta labeling by Alexander Rosa in 1967. This all about graceful labeling. Thank you for watching. Thank you.